fire.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ajili and I'm back with another video. Today's video, as you can see, it's about sleek ponytail hairstyles for all hair types: 4C, curly hair, straight hair, permed hair, relaxed hair, transitioning hair. Whatever hair you have, you can rock any of these ponytail hairstyles and you're going to look absolutely beautiful. So I wanted to read a story to you guys today so we can discuss about it and share our suggestions and all. But I have something to ask and to also talk about. So I will be reading the story in my next video that I will be uploading after this one. So before we get into today's video or whatever I want to talk about, I want to say a very big thank you to all of you for being here, for clicking on my video, for watching my videos, and for subscribing to my channel, and also for setting on post notification so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. I love you guys so much and I appreciate each and every one of you. So to my new subscribers and my new viewers, thank you so much for being here. I'm sure you will be inspired by any of these hairstyles posted, and if you need more, post in the comment section and I will deliver. So in today's video, I want to talk about Chebe powder. I don't know if I'm mentioning it correctly because I've heard people mention it Chebe, and all those things, but it's the powder that from Chad, the one that the Chad women used to, they apply in their hair and helps in their hair growth. So I learned they have the Chebe powder and then the caca oil. Okay, so I recently was looking into this stuff and I can say that this is also another great way or great product you can use to grow your hair. And the interesting thing is that it's not really expensive, unless those who have bought it and they've branded it, that makes it a little expensive. But I got one from a certain lady called Madam Fati. She was selling both the powder, about 100 grams of the powder and 100 ml of the caca oil, both for 35 cedis. And I think it's a good deal, and yeah, compared to other prices and other people that I've seen selling that. I got someone and the powder was 150 gram or so, 150 gram, and she was selling it for 55 cedis, just the powder without the oil. So like I said, but that one was branded. Okay, so if you need some, I think you should get it from someone that is that hasn't branded theirs and they are selling it. Okay, that one is quite cheaper. If you're in Ghana and you're interested in one, like you're interested in purchasing some of the Chebe powder and the caca oil, comment down below and then I will send you the number or the contact of Madam Fati so that you can contact her. She's genuine. Okay, I live about 6 hours from where she sells and she delivered to me. Initially I was scared, but she delivered to me. I bought about 10 pieces, both the powder and then the oil, 10 pieces of it, and she delivered it to me directly to where I was, 6 hours away from where she is. So yeah, if you need some and you're in Ghana, because I've been searching for some for forever and I haven't gotten, finally I've gotten my hands on it and I will start using it. Currently I'm going through TikTok, Facebook and YouTube to see how I can use it effectively that will aid in my massive hair growth. Okay, so I have also decided that next year from January I will start a hair growth journey. Every day I'm going to be applying that in my hair, including fenugreek see I'm going to blend fenugreek, cloves powder, and neem powder, and I'll add them together with the cloves, sorry, with the chebe powder, and then I'll mix it with some cacao oil, avocado oil, and then castor oil. So just imagine. So next year I am just going to focus so much on my hair, and I pray that I will be consistent with it. So yeah, so I want to know if any of you have used the Chebe powder before, and how you use it, and what you do, and how are you seeing results, or how has it been, or how long did you start seeing results and everything. I know I am relaxed, and if I start using the product, I see results when I relax my hair, or sometimes how full my hair becomes. But I mostly see results after I relax my hair, so I don't know for now. But right now I have braids on, and I have decided that I'm going to mix the Chebe powder and the cacao oil together and be putting it in between my hair till I unbraid it. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. And yeah, so let me know in the comment section if you've used this product before, and how it's working for you, and how you use it, and the results you've seen so far, how long it took you to see results, and all, and what other things do you mix in yours, okay, how the recipe you use in yours to get the massive results that you are getting. So yeah, that is why I want to talk to you and seek your permission, your suggestion, and how should I say, advice on, yeah, advice. So yeah, per your experience. So please let me know in the comment section. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you all so much. Be good and have a good weekend. Bye.
Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The glass so loud as the hour